to Stillam CNC Programming Solutions. Today, our tech tip is downloading a new software update. First things first, search for the Universal Updater on your PC. The Hexagon app will open. Click on the latest update for Designer. Currently, we have 2024.3. The Hexagon Manufacturing Site Setup Wizard will pop up. Select Next. Then select I accept the agreement. Select Next. Select Next. Select Next. And then select Install. A pop-up will then come up, and please select Next. The Hexagon app portal will open again once it has updated. Select Finish. Then on the App Updater, select Launch. The latest version of the Designer app will then open. There will be a question saying, do you wish to load the backup file? Please select Yes. And that's it. Thank you for downloading a new software update with us, and thank you for choosing Stillam.